My thoughts so far, I think these are a great progression ski. They are lightweight, smooth, super forgiving. So if you're looking for something greens, blue runs, these are awesome to build confidence on. Overall thoughts, if you are newer to skiing or moving out of that beginner phase and want something that feels predictable and supportive, these are a great place to start. Like and subscribe to the Sun and Ski Sports YouTube channel if you want to hear more product reviews like this.